was a method of learning to lose weight and eat healthy that, once learned, could give you an understanding of how to do it forever and love it? What if this way could radically transform the way you think of healthy eating and weight loss, and whether or not you can actually do it long term? Would you be interested in knowing that method? Well, I'm going to talk about just that in this masterclass. Welcome to the How to Lose the Weight and Eat Healthy Forever masterclass. I'm Cheri and I've been helping others achieve these results for over 8 years now on my popular YouTube channel and website, and in my private and group coaching programs. It's my passion. You see, doing what I do, I've been able to lose the weight I always desired myself whenever I wanted, using the Eat to Live diet. I got rid of all my pregnancy weight after my first baby. That was 50 pounds. And I went on to lose another 12 after that. And I kept it off until I got pregnant again 2 years later with twins. And now after the birth of my twins, I'm on my way to lose all the pregnancy weight again and get down to my nutritarian goal weight for good. I've lost 20 pounds so far in just the last few months, and I only have 20 to go. And I want to give you the very same results that you've always desired. The thing is, once you know how to eat the high nutrient way using the mindset techniques I teach, and the methods and steps become second nature, then you can lose the weight easily and step out of the constant battle around food that makes it so difficult for us to maintain and stick to this way of life. When you finally understand how to do it, then that's when your true peace around food can come in. So that's what this video is about. Are you ready to get these kinds of results for yourself? Now, I've been around for a long time, and I am the foremost Eat to Live private and group coach on the planet. But when I first started out, I had no idea what I was doing, and I never knew if it was going to work or not. I mean, I certainly hoped it would, but I was still very skeptical. But now I'm in a different place. I've been able to lose all the weight I desired and keep it off, much to my surprise, pretty effortlessly, all while eating the healthiest food around. And it happened as I was testing and perfecting the methods I use now in my Eat to Live coaching membership, or what I call the Eat to Live family. See, I honed and created these methods over many years, but now at this point, the big question I bet you're wondering is it going to work for you? Okay, I want to teach you something now. Get ready. So I'm going to teach you the 2 keys to this long-lasting, lifelong change in your healthy eating and weight loss. The first key is learning how to eat the food, right? How to eat the high nutrient way. When you know that backwards and forwards, like I teach in my Eat to Live challenges, you've got half the equation down. Because if you can learn to eat this way, you remove the guesswork, and your body can start that detox process, which ultimately helps to make your desire for this food increase and your desire for off-plan foods decrease. So simply, the first thing we must do is learn to eat to live. And I teach this in my Eat to Live family program, as well as my healthy eating challenges. But now, the other half of the equation is one that no one really talks about very much. See, most diet advice focuses on the what foods to eat and when, how often you should exercise, little tips and tricks to stay on track, and especially so much of diet culture is based on accountability programs, as if being accountable to a buddy for the rest of your life was the way to do this. But no, in my vast experience with so many clients over the years, I found that for us to remain successful, we need to do something else. We need something that is ours, something that is our own, that we own, that we can control at any moment. Unlike our accountability buddy's schedule, or what they're serving at that holiday party, or what our husband is going to bring home from the grocery store, which of course, those are all things we have no control over. Those things aren't going away anytime soon either. So we need a system that can work no matter what is going on around us. And that system needs to be something that we can all do, something we can all implement, practice, and perfect all by ourselves, no matter what age we are, what patterns we've created over the years, how much of a binger we are, like I was, no matter what our weight is, who we live with, what our friends are like, what we see in the break room, what our kids are eating. We need a system that can overcome all that and still get us to our healthy eating and weight loss goals without needing to change our surroundings. And do you want to know what that other piece is that's going to create that change and is accessible to you right now? Well, that's your mindset. It's your brain and how you use that brain when the challenges arise. That's the most important key to all of this. You need someone to teach you how to dial that in for anything that comes your way so you can stay consistent and stick to your goals and your plan no matter what. Listen, once your mindset is dialed in, like I teach in the academy and in the family coaching membership, then there's literally no obstacle you can't handle. Oh, and by the way, I call my membership the Eat to Live family because it's just that. It's an awesome group of healthy eaters just like you who are embracing the Eat to Live lifestyle all together in a family of sorts, supporting, loving, safe, private. We're there for each other. And in the family, sure, you'll be able to lose the weight, keep it off while loving to eat healthy. You're going to learn all that, but you'll be able to accomplish so many other things in your life as well. And if you're really busy or think you just don't have enough time for something like this, then this is perfect for you because I've designed these mindset resources with these concerns in mind. In my coaching membership, the Eat to Live family, you will learn to grow and expand your mind through thought work and extremely advanced techniques that you won't learn anywhere else. You'll finally learn the solutions for what works for you personally by trying out what works for me and what's worked for dozens and dozens of my clients in the past. I teach all of these concepts about the food and mindset and easy step-by-step methods that anyone can master right inside the Eat to Live family. And you'll learn just what it takes to make this thought muscle memory part of your everyday life. Most importantly, so you can come back to what works for weight loss and healthy eating whenever it's needed. Listen, when I think about how it feels to have achieved all the healthy eating and weight loss goals that I was always after, I'm reminded of all the times I've done challenges and worked on my thoughts myself and how it all literally transformed my journey for good. I'm reminded of my students and clients who are currently enjoying my programs today, especially in the Eat to Live family, which, as I said, is my monthly affordable group coaching membership. I'm reminded of how giving them a protocol for eating and then this simple system that teaches them to use thought work has literally transformed their food and weight loss patterns from what they've always known, which is full of weight gain, regret, guilt, shame, and the whole bunch of yo-yo dieting, right? To the new experience that they gave themselves of success and peaceful, consistent victory. Just check out a couple of these testimonials from some folks in the family right now. One Eat to Live family member said, "Since joining the family, I've lost weight and maintained for the past 6 weeks. This has never happened to me, ever. I believe the biggest change has been the mindset and how I think about food. Not saying I'm done, but I'm definitely on my way to finally having peace with food." And another family member said, "Over the years, my weight would yo-yo as I have a history of food addiction and binging. After starting a new job in January 2020, then COVID a few months later, my stress level increased and I gained 20 pounds over the year. I know exactly what I need to eat as a nutritarian, but like many others, I have moments of weakness where I give in to cravings and fall off the wagon. And then I decided I would become a member of the Eat to Live family. I'm thrilled to report that I'm down 18 pounds, and being a member of the Eat to Live family has played a huge part in my success. I have, of course, had a couple slip-ups along the way, but Cheri and the family are always there to talk me off the ledge or provide support. I'm finally starting to feel some peace around food. Joining the Eat to Live family is the best gift that I could have given myself." Wow. And we've got so many other testimonials just like these from the Eat to Live family. Folks are truly changing their trajectory around food and weight loss for good, and they're loving it. But before I tell you how you can get into the Eat to Live family, I have to warn you that I only keep registration open for just a short period of time. And the reason I do this is so that I can focus on welcoming all the new members and putting all my efforts into assisting with their transformations. So once it's closed, it's truly closed, okay? So since you're watching this video, I'd be willing to bet you're a lot like I always was, interested in health, weight loss, and lifelong maintenance of the high nutrient, Eat to Live nutritarian lifestyle. But maybe you're just concerned that you can't keep it up and love it, right? You just want to know how to get on track and stick with it for good and not feel like you're suffering all the time, right? No matter what your number one goal is, you can achieve all of them by joining the Eat to Live family. So first off, when you join the family, you get some amazing stuff. And actually, it's kind of insane what I include for what you invest, but hear me out. So first of all, you get access to the Eat to Live Family social network, which is a group of hundreds of folks just like you with the same goals. It's housed on a special social network called Mighty Networks that's just for us. Think Facebook without advertisements, distractions, or your nosy Aunt Ida. It's completely private, completely safe, and only current Eat to Live family members are allowed in there. It's a space for us to gather and work collectively on the same goals, weight loss and healthy eating for life. Oh, and we have tons of fun too. Here's what one family member said recently about this network. I love this community and feel so safe to share my triumphs and my downfalls. Okay, so you've got the distraction-free safe zone where we can all congregate. If I placed a monthly value on this private network only for healthy eaters, I'd be able to easily charge at least $47 a month for that. In the Eat to Live family, though, you also get 2 monthly group coaching calls with yours truly. Everyone comes on the same call at the same time, and I coach a volunteer hot seat style through any issue they may be having, food, weight loss, or anything else. The amazing benefit of group coaching, if you haven't experienced it before, is that even though someone may have a few different details than you in their own story, you still gain so much, such an amazing amount of applicable knowledge to your own struggles, just as if you were being coached. It's incredibly powerful. After a coaching call, for instance, one family member commented, "This was awesome. I love Cheri's gentle but firm approach. I am learning how to coach myself. Priceless." I know I could charge at least $97 per month for just those 2 calls alone. And probably my favorite part of what I offer in the Eat to Live family is full access to my Eat to Live Academy, which is a powerful 8-week digital coaching course that gives you all of my private coaching tools to lay the foundation for your growth. This program has gone for a one-time investment of $497 for over 100 clients already. And one previous Academy member even told me, "Cheri, you should charge double what you charge for the Academy. I hope you have a plan in place to increase the price because this program is amazing. This is what I needed." So many members have completed this entire program, the Academy, within the family, and I can tell that they are the ones who really get it and are making the most progress. In the Eat to Live Family Monthly Coaching Membership, you also get access to my private personal weight loss vlog. It's a series of videos that I'm shooting almost every single day, detailing my own personal weight loss journey after the birth of my twins. Right now, I've already lost 20 pounds and have around 20 to go, and I tell you exactly everything that's going through my mind and how I'm doing this for myself. It's extremely personal, as I said, and I even cry on some occasions, and I share some really big life lessons. There are already several months worth of vlogs in there already showing exactly how I'm losing the weight, and I'm going to keep adding as we go. If I had to place a value on just this content alone, I would say it's worth at least $297, and the value is only going to grow as I get closer and closer to my goal weight. I have also created a full video series that I call the Quick Start Program, with a set of 3 powerful videos and audios that will give you the simple 4-step PAL system for quick and easy weight loss and mindset shift. So many members have used this exact program to lose the weight they desire, and several have already hit their lifetime nutritarian goal weights. The value of this system alone is at least $197. In the Eat to Live family, I've also created a super powerful success path, I call it, that will take you through every single step of your journey, expanding upon the steps that you learn in the Quick Start program, as well as guiding you through the rest of your journey through the Academy to reach your goal of healthy weight and healthy eating goals as quickly as possible. I guide you all the way through. It's laid out for you in checklist form, and I would value this program itself at more than $97. One of our Eat to Live family members has said, "I love having a heads up in all the stages. That way I can plan ahead and know what to look forward to as she progresses through her journey." And as for recipes, included in the Eat to Live family is a members only recipe book that we're constantly adding to, as well as 2 free past 21-day challenges and my free 9-day challenge as well. This is well over a $90 value right there. And if you so choose, we also offer members only add-on pricing, members only, for our family private coaching program, available to you as part of the Eat to Live family with Coach Nancy. You cannot get this anywhere else. Okay, so the entire value for all of the things you receive the minute you join the Eat to Live family is well over $1,322. What? And you get all of this value the second you sign up. Double wow! That's a lot of value that I offer in the Eat to Live family, right? Look, the bottom line here is that we're going to cover a lot of ground on a monthly basis in the Eat to Live family. And you're going to come away on the other end knowing exactly how to take your new skills of healthy eating and simple weight loss with you in the future to help you keep going and succeeding in a very manageable, simple, step-by-step way. Which brings us to the last piece of the puzzle that makes this a complete no-brainer, which is, of course, the actual price. So all of these things I mentioned, the family social network with hundreds of other like-minded folks with struggles just like yours, the 2 monthly group coaching calls where you can be coached by me personally, the full 8-week Eat to Live Academy program, the Quick Start program, and the Success Path, the full weight loss vlog, the member-only recipe book, and access to 2 free past 21-day challenges and all the other challenges we're going to be having in the future, and access to a member-priced incredible private coaching program add-on is all just the monthly price of $49. What? I mean, come on. And just keep in mind how different your life could be in just 1 month if you commit to giving this Eat to Live family group a try. Okay, so go ahead and click the red button on this page and join us in the Eat to Live family. I know you're going to learn a lot and be so happy that you did this. You just might even make a ton of new friends in the process. I can't wait to see you in there. One last thing, though, that I need to mention, as I said before, this is a limited time offer. The ability to register for the Eat to Live family is only open for a few days, and then I'm going to close down registration so I can begin to welcome in all the new members. If you want to get in, then you need to act quickly because registration window is not going to be open long. But if you miss out, don't worry, don't freak out. The odds are pretty good that I'll offer another registration period sometime this year. Oh, and another thing is that each time I open, I raise the price a bit. So make sure to join now if you want to lock in this amazing pricing. Your monthly investment will never change as long as you remain an active member. Okay, so if you're ready to join us and get closer to making the high nutrient lifestyle your lifestyle and finally lose that weight for good, then your next step is to click the red register button and get signed up, and I'll see you in the family.